Hi everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Lovers. We are going to start a series of Everyday Science MCQs. We will cover more than 1000 MCQs in this series. People have to watch the videos till the end. If you are new to the channel, you will have to subscribe to my channel for upcoming informative videos. So we are going to start the MCQs today. The waves which are used for line of sight (LOS) communication are called A. Space waves, B. Cable waves, C. Antenna waves, D. None of these. So the correct answer is going to be it is space waves. A is correct. In the structure of fiber, the light is guided through the core due to total internal A. Reflection, B. Refraction, C. Diffraction, and D. None of these. So the right answer is going to be it is reflection. A is correct. Global winds towards western direction are known as trade winds, B. Western winds, C. Reynolds winds, and D. None of these. So the right answer is going to be it is trade winds. A is correct. Which of the following sources of energy is caused by uneven heating of Earth's surface? A. Wind, B. Solar, C. Biomass, D. None of these. So the right answer is going to be wind. A is correct. Most major tsunamis are produced by earthquakes with hypocenters less than A. 30 km, B. 40 km, C. 50 km, D. None of these. So the right answer would be B. It is 40 km. Blue dwarfs and red giants respectively refer to moons of Jupiter, B. Young star and all star, C. All star and young star, D. None of these. So the right answer is going to be it is all star and young star. Which of the following is a neutral particle? A. Alpha particle, B. Neutron, C. Electron, D. Proton. E. All of these, and the answer is B. Neutron. A chronometer measures dash water waves, B. Color contrast, C. Time, D. Sound waves. Right answer is time. Pollination of flowers by birds is called dash. A. Aviology, Avirology, B. Ornithology, C. Ornithophily, Ornithophily, D. Polygamy. So the right answer is it is ornithophily. It is C. What does HMPV stands for? A. Human metapneumovirus, B. Human mycoplasma virus, C. Human multi-pathogen virus, D. Human molecular virus. So the right answer is going to be it is human metapneumovirus. There are many different types of frozen water on Earth. Collectively, they are known as the hydrosphere, B. Cryosphere, sorry, C. Frigid zone, D. Biosphere. So the right answer is going to be it is cryosphere. The blotting paper helps observe liquid by A. Surface action, B. Capillary action, C. Viscosity, D. Baldness. So the right answer is it is capillary action. In the atmosphere, if the temperature is low, then the pressure is dash. A. Low. B. High. C. Normal. D. All of these. The right answer is it is low. A is correct answer. Nucleus of an atom was discovered by A. Goldstein, B. James Chadwick, C. J.J. Thomson, uh, D. Rutherford. So the right answer is going to be it is D. Rutherford. Primatology is the study of human behavior. B. Primates. C. Animals and plants. D. Forests. The right answer is B. Primates. The molecular mass of water molecule is A. 16 AMU, 17 AMU, 18 AMU, 20 AMU. So the right answer is 18 AMU. Vertical columns in the periodic table of elements are called A. Periods, B. Groups, C. Rows, D. Uh, Lengthened series. The right answer is going to be it is groups. Paleontology is the study of organic particles in the air. B. Ancient life and fossils. C. How bodily structures are put together in an organism. D. How living things interact with each other and their environment. So the right answer is it is ancient life and fossils. Apple is rich in A. Fluorine, B. Calcium, C. Iron, D. Phosphorus. So the right answer is going to be it is in iron. The Latin word of the name given to a human being, Homo sapien, includes the A. Genus, family and order, genus and class, B. Genus and species. So the right answer is it is D. Genus and species. So these were the 20 the most important and repeated MCQs of everyday science we watched today. Thank you so much for watching. Now we will have a series of these videos. We will almost reach to 1000 MCQs you will have to watch till the end and also help me in monetization of my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.